Hello and welcome back to St Modwen Homes' YouTube channel. Deciding on what home to buy is an important part of the buying process, and finding a home that ticks all those boxes can be a tricky one. In this video, we will discuss the top reasons why you should consider buying a new build St Modwen home. One of the biggest perks of buying new is that your home is a completely blank canvas. Alongside being ready to personalise, depending on when you buy your home, you can have your say on layout, flooring, carpets and cabinets. You can also choose from a range of options and upgrades at the build stage, such as walk-in wardrobes and personalised kitchens made by you for you. All of our homes are built with energy efficiency at their core, which means it's great for the environment and for your bills, meaning it really is a win-win. Most of our homes have an excellent energy efficiency rating of EPC A or B and are twice as airtight as building regulations requirements, meaning they save more heat and waste less energy. From boosting your mood and decreasing your energy bills, our brighter living spaces have an abundance of benefits. All of our homes are thoughtfully designed to let in beams of sunlight to create rooms full of natural light for you and your family to enjoy. As you can see, we have high ceilings and large windows, which is great for working from home and boosting productivity. If you already own a home and you're looking to move into a new one, you may have had previous experiences with broken chains. When purchasing a new build home, it won't have a previous owner, which means there's less chance of things falling through. And we've got a dedicated team of experts to help you along the way, which means any questions you may have will be answered by our team. Simple, easy and no fuss. Plus, you can take advantage of government-backed schemes such as Deposit and Lock, which makes the process even smoother. With all of these benefits and more at your fingertips, buying a new build home in 2023 is a no-brainer. To find out more about the new build homes that we have to offer, check out the link in our description below.